Hello dear students, welcome to online classes. So in previous classes we have discussed Behive, the first book, and the second book is there. One more book is there, that is Moment. So we were we were discussing the first chapter, the fun they had, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. So in previous classes we have discussed 1 to 8 paragraphs, and now today we will start the paragraph number 9. As you know that this story is set in the future, and here you can see that diagram, that which type of school will be in future: learning through computers, virtual classroom, moving e-text, and robotic teachers. Okay, so in first paragraph it is mentioned that Tommy and Margie, these two characters were there. So Margie wrote about that Tommy found what? A real book. So it was all about that real book, is what they have talked about the real book. Okay. So we will continue with that paragraph number 9. Okay. So are you ready? See. Paragraph number 9. So first of all we will see that non-challengingly, the word meaning of non-challenging, not showing much interest or enthusiasm or carelessly. Okay, so let's start with this. So maybe he said nonchalantly, he walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So in previous paragraph, in paragraph number 8, it is mentioned, means at that time when she was just getting all the information about that school, that old schools from that Tommy. So and she was taking interest also to know about that old school, but at the same time her mother called her for school, means it was a time for to attend the class. Okay, so which was just beside her bedroom only. So she said, then she also heard that after the school, can't we read it again? So hear what he replied. He replied carelessly, not showing interest. Without any interest, he said, okay, maybe we will be reading. Okay, so maybe he said, not challengingly, he walked away, whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So he just took the book beneath his arm and he just moved to join the school. Okay, Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Now you can understand. To join means to come to the school, means when you come to the school, so you have a classroom, so means you have everything here. But what about the virtual classroom? Now you can see that where was the Margie's school? The Margie went into the school room, and where it was? It was right next to her bedroom, just next to her bedroom. That her school was just next to her bedroom. Means suppose it is her bedroom, the next room will be classroom. Okay, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Mechanical teacher was on means switch on. Okay, that mechanical teacher was on and that mechanical teacher was waiting for her, that when she will come, it will start to teach her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Means Saturday and Sunday will be holiday, like you get holiday Sunday as a holiday. Okay. So she said that what? That mechanical teacher is always on at the same time except Sunday and Saturday. Okay, these 2 days were holiday. So only 5 days were on for teaching. Okay. Now you can see her school. This is a virtual classroom, and this classroom is just next to her bedroom only. So now you can see this is a robotic teacher. Now you can see all that things. Okay, how she used to study. Okay. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. That regularity and punctuality, if you have both things, so definitely you can achieve anything in your life. If you are coming to school, so you should be regular. If you are studying anything, so you should be regular for that. Punctuality also. Suppose you just made a timetable, so it should be followed by you. It should be, because you know what? Suppose you have said that at 5 o'clock you have to study. So at 5 o'clock only, not 5 past 5 only, a quarter 5, not like that. Okay. So you have to start, you should be punctual and you should be regular. Regular means every day. Don't miss any day. So here what? She said that, what her mother said? Her mother said, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Means if anyone, not her only, if anybody is regular, so definitely they can learn anything easily. Okay. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. And then what happened? The screen was lit up and it said, just like when I opened this, so there was mentioned something, lesson's name and lesson number, the fun they had. So just like that, the screen was lit up and said that today's topic is what? Arithmetic lesson is on the addition of fraction. Means addition of fraction, heading was there, and today we will discuss about this topic. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. And this was the most important thing that she hated more. Everything is good, but this was the most important thing that she hated more. What? That homework that she used to put in proper slot. Okay. Margie did so with a sigh, means she did that thing, that she used to put the homework in proper slot, no? So she did it with sigh. Okay, she was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. As now she started to think about that old school. When her grandfather's grandfather was, means when her grandfather was a little boy. Whose grandfather? Grandfather's grandfather. Okay. So she just started thinking about the old school. That how it was. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. See, as nowadays you are studying by online only, so you are missing this day. You are not coming to school because of Corona, because of COVID-19. But before 1 year, when you were in class 6, when you were in class 5, so you were coming together. You were coming with your neighbor. You were coming with your classmates. You were coming with your anyone. You were coming with your parents. Means you were coming to school. You were coming together, you were going together, you were sitting together, you were enjoying your lunch together, means everything. You were playing in the ground together only, means everything you were enjoying, everything you were doing together only. Like here, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you just go together. They learn the same things also, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And definitely, if you are in the same age, if you are in the same class, so definitely you will be able to help each other in their homework. So it was a thing that happened fast. All the teachers were people. The most important thing, all the people were teacher, not a robotic teacher, not a machine. Means our human teacher can understand the feelings. They can think about that, how the people, means how the students are thinking. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Now that screen was lit up and there she was supposed to add these two fractions, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. Now she started to think about the old school, that how at that time the students loved the school. She was thinking about the fun they had. And she was also thinking about them, what, how they enjoy, means how they have fun at that moment. So now you can understand that what happened, means what will be happening in future. Now in this story, the fun they had, it is totally described about that, about future in 2157, not only 2157, more than 2157. So what will happen when the books will not be there, when the copies will not be there, when the teachers will not be there? Teachers means robotic teacher will be there only. So what will happen? The classroom will not be there, like nowadays you have a classroom, so you are just coming together and going together, you are enjoying together only, you are doing your homework together only with your classmates, with the help of your classmates. And we are also here to teach you, we are also here to help you at any way, you are just playing together in the ground. But what will happen in future? This thing will not be there. So this was the story, and I hope that you have understood this story. So thank you so much, dear students.